Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a Town and Country minivan and I will show you how to reset your radio, your Uconnect, actually how to do a factory reset. This video will apply to Town and Countries made from 2011 all the way up to 2016, and Town and Countries equipped with this large screen, right? If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Now, first thing you have to do, you'll have to access the hidden vehicle menu, hidden service menu. To do that, first turn off the radio, and then you will press and keep holding the menu button, the radio button, the media button at the same time for 5 seconds. So this is what you will do. And now you are in service mode, and you will scroll down all the way to P&D. You will select P&D, and here is your option 8.3 restore factory defaults. And if you select that, everything will reset, and hopefully this will fix your radio. If not, the next thing to do, then you can try removing the Uconnect radio fuses, maybe for a minute, and then insert them back and see if that resets it. If not, you'll have to go to the dealer so they can connect their scanner and update your software. But this is the first and the easiest thing to do. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.